Hi, this is John Farrar, CEO of Nimble, and I wanted to show you an example of using Nimble Prospector to identify people to engage with. So I'm reading this press release about how Platinum Equity is acquiring Ingram Micro, one of our distribution partners that we work with through our Microsoft relationship. So I think it was going to be important that I build a relationship with this person, Jacob, who is the partner who's running this acquisition, because they are a pretty big partner of ours and Ingram, and I want to make sure that we connect with this person and understand kind of what their goals are with the acquisition and maybe even how we can help. So I'm going to Nimble this person, and Nimble is a browser plugin. You can see Nimble is in my browser is plugged in right there. Nimble is a simple, smart CRM that layers on top of Office and G Suite. It provides your team with a relationship manager as well as a smart CRM. So I'm going to prospect this person. I'm going to Nimble them. And what Nimble will do is it'll go and build a record for this person. So there's no unique identifier here, so Nimble has to figure out from the string who this person is. So once I go ahead and add him, Nimble suggests this profile, his LinkedIn profile. And as I go ahead and add the contact, if I want to find their contact info, if you give Nimble a first name, last name, company, domain name, it'll go ahead and give you all their contact info just like that. So I literally built a contact record for Jacob in 2 clicks, including his contact info. And if I want to reach out to him now, I can go ahead and send him a templated trackable email to go ahead and reach out to him with tracking on opens and click. And it's that easy. So if you're not using Nimble today to manage the most important asset that you have in your business, which are the contacts that you connect to for you and your team, check Nimble out, nimble.com. And be sure to check out our prospector, because the biggest cause of failure of CRM is lack of use. The second is bad data. You work for it, it doesn't work for you, and you have to go to it to use it. Imagine a CRM that works for you by building itself from the contacts that you already have in Office and G Suite and your business apps you use, enriches them with people and company data, and works back where you work, inside of your inbox, inside of social, inside of the business apps that you're using, literally any place you work, so you could prospect smarter everywhere you go. That's Nimble. Hope you dug it. Thanks.